Welcome to Web Kitchen. Today we are making flatbread. If you have a short of time and really want to make something delicious for tea, prepare this flatbread from Asian cuisine. Such pan-fried flatbread is prepared from the simplest products, but they turn out to be very layered, delicate, ruddy. It is best to serve these flatbreads immediately after they are cooked, so cook just enough for everyone to make one meal. Mix 250 milliliters of water with 6 grams of salt. Then, gradually stirring in 550 grams of flour. Knead a soft, non-sticky dough. Cover the dough with a towel and leave at room temperature for 20 minutes. Divide the dough into equal pieces. Roll each piece on a lightly floured board into a very thin layer, 1 millimeter thick. Grease on top with melted butter. In total, you can use 50 grams of butter. Sprinkle generously with greens. Any greens can be used. In my case, I used 35 grams of parsley and 35 grams of dill. Grease each layer with melted butter again and sprinkle with flour. And then roll out the formed layer with a rolling pin to a thickness of 1 centimeter. Bake the flatbread in a frying pan lightly greased with sunflower oil on both sides for 3 to 4 minutes, until golden brown. Just use 15 milliliters of sunflower oil for all flatbread. Flatbread with greens is ready. Look at it. These pan-fried breads are so amazing. It is most delicious to eat such flatbread immediately after cooking. After they lie down for a bit, they significantly lose their taste and will no longer be so crispy. Thanks for watching.